This is day 6 on the Camino de Santiago. I left Estella this morning, Estella, and I'm on the way either to Los Arcos or a few kilometers past Torre del Real, and the weather has changed considerably. And it's cold and snowy, and the scenery has changed. It's a beautiful day. I have seen many people today and met many people. Francesca and Ronnie from Australia, and Marco from Italy, and Kika, and decided to walk on today. And I just saw Maggie and Ben from Scotland and England, who I started with at the breakfast place. So it's a long walk today, 22 kilometers or maybe 29 kilometers. Buen camino.